Okay, we're going to set up the motor to be operated by an app called Tuya. So the first thing you need to do is go to your mobile device, smartphone or iPad or whatever. You download the app called Tuya, Tuya Smart. This is the picture, like on the App Store or on Google Play, you'll find that Tuya Smart app. You download it and then you register an account with your email address and set up your password. Okay, once you've got the account set up, then you should have an app on your phone or your mobile device like this. Okay, when you hit the Tuya, it will show you a screen like this. Okay, so after the app you got onto your mobile device and you got the account set up, make sure your router, your Wi-Fi router, is set up with a 2.4 GHz ID. Okay, most Internet of Things devices like this motor or fan or whatever, a lighting, whatever, they require 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi setup. Okay, but some router may have both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz combined to a single ID. But some routers must have two separate IDs. So you have to find out from your service provider. Okay, make sure your router is set up with a 2.4 GHz ID if they are not combined together. Otherwise, we won't be able to go forward. Okay, so that's the very important. And then the next thing you want to do is turn on the mobile device, the Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is on. And then you want to take the motor off the track, detach the motor off the track, and bring it close to the router, close to the Wi-Fi router. The reason for that is you would get better connection and would be easier to set up instead of having the motor up there in the ceiling or high ceiling. It will make it difficult to work with the motor. So I would suggest you detach the motor and bring it down. Of course, you have to bring the power adapter with you, and then plug the power, and then bring it close to where the router is. It doesn't have to be next to it, but closer the better. Okay, once you have all this set up, then you're ready to go to your phone. Go to your phone and then find the Tuya app, right? Find the Tuya app, you hit Tuya, and then you'll see a screen like this. So we're going to add a device and hit the plus sign here. So we hit the plus sign here and you add device. So we add device. And then there will be a lot of selections. Okay, what we're looking for is called curtain switch Wi-Fi. Okay, so you find the curtain switch and the Wi-Fi, that's the one we need to choose. So we tap on it, and then again it will remind you that you need a 2.4 GHz ID. For example, you're going to select the Wi-Fi, okay, from your phone or mobile device. You go to your Wi-Fi and find the ID that is 2.4 GHz. So like this one, for example, we set up one called 2.4 GHz. So we hit that. Okay, so you select the ID and then you go back to Tuya. Oops, go back to Tuya. So we select the correct 2.4 GHz ID, and you have to put your password of your ID. Well, it happened to, we have already put it there. So enter the password for that particular ID, and then you go to next. Okay, so again, it want to confirm with you that's the 2.4 ID and the password is correct. Then you confirm, and now we are going to go to the motor. Go to the motor. You need a small pin like this, right? So you go to the motor and there's a pinhole here. There's a pinhole here. You press 3 times. So you put 1, 2, 3. So it's blinking. So you confirm the indicator is blinking, and you just select blink quickly, and it will start searching for the device. So it may take a while. It may take like maybe a minute or so sometimes, but they're trying to get connected together. Okay, it's still searching. Still searching. Okay, it found the motor. So you can simply hit done, or you can type here to correct a name, or you can change the name here by typing here. But you can change it later. Let's say we just keep that as a curtain motor for now. So we hit done, right? So, all right, so you already found the motor. And then if you look at the motor, now, if we type here, this is open. See, the motor start working. We can stop it, or we can just hit the close again, and the motor would go the other direction. So what you can do is, if we hit stop, it will stop. We hit close, it go that way, and we hit open, it go to the other way. All right. So this is how we set up the motor. Again, you want to change the name of the motor, you can come here and change the name here. All right, just you can call it whatever you want to. Just change it here. Basically, that's the way you want to set up. And here to stop the motor. Okay,